Arrive in style. The night is yours.
True royalty always finds its throne. Welcome to the pinnacle of luxury.
Honestly, I don't even care. You're overreacting about this whole thing. I am very disappointed in you. When I tell you to stay close, it is for your own safety. Do you understand me?
We're heading out to drift the canyons, and you have to join us. It's gonna be epic.
That's what I'm talking about.
I know this is upsetting, but you can't stay here. Let's move to the side of the road so we can secure the area.
I'm so sorry to tell you this, but there was an accident. He didn't make it. I need help. My baby is missing. Please.
We're releasing you into your mother's care. This is your final warning. Be responsible, all right?
I've made my share of mistakes. But true wisdom isn't avoiding failure, it's learning to rise with the sun and try again.